are going to play Barbie Skipper Babysitter. And let's take it. Do, 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 do. And let's turn it around. Oh, we have Barbie and another Barbie. And turn it around and let's shake it. Shake, 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 shake. This is so cool. You guys, I'm gonna open this, but it's so cool. So cool, and Skipper, look at her hair, it's so funny. And the little girl does not have hair, she has hair. Well, she has to press it on a button. We can't touch it, well, it's so hard. And she has a beautiful dress with cards in her shape. Now let's open it. Look at it. Whoa! Look at what it is, you guys. Okay, you guys, you seriously look at this. Now first, let's start with my scissors. Got this. This is gonna slam it around and around. Let's get these scissors. Let's see what we got this thing. Let's see what we get this thing. Oh, I got something. I found an ice cream. Oh, it's a little ice cream for the dog. Let's see who we got this thing. Just got this thing in here. Ah! Oops. I never had one of those either. Well, we have the cereal box. Let's open this up. Get the spoon out of that. We got a little bowl in here and a little bowl in here. Look at it. And a little big bowl in here. Let's see the milk card. Ah, the spoon fell. Ooh, look at these. We got cereal for the bottom and a milk carton. Now we open all these. Let's put that there and now let's open it. Now let's open the little baby. Let's open her up. Well, still we had to open her up. It's still cutting. Well, not her shirt. It's kind of hard. Whoa, we got that out. Still, now we opened all of those. Let's take out. First, let's start with this thing. Because I love it. Look at how pinkish it is. And so we also have a little stone here. Because let's see. And look at this one. It absolutely fits. That is so cool. And the little baby can. Look at her outfit. So heartful and beautiful. Let's see her. Let's put her in there. There we go. Let's send the color out of that thing. Oh, hard. Oh. Look at the car. It looks like it absolutely moves. Whoa. A little baby can sit here. So here's a little stool for her. And let's get out the Skipper. Whoa, my goodness, she is so pretty! Ah! Oh my goodness, she is so cool. Let's take her out with the little scissors. Oh! Whoa, she is so cool. Look at her boots, they're so amazing. Oh, her hair is so cute. Okay, she's getting ready for. Look at her outfit, it's so cool. And it's so right in with this. Hey, let's get out guys. Now it's time to feed her. And we also have little things. Now we have a little play center now we eat. How about you want to eat?
No.
You wanna play? Yeah, yes. Okay, let's play. Whoa, you're kind of cool player. Let's get you out of the crib. Ah! Oh, there we go. Ah, her shoe. Let's get her shoe around. Let's clean the park before you put your shoes on. Don't want to lose your shoes. Lose your shoes before. Let's go. Let's go and drive around. Whoa, he doesn't move her hand. Great job. Oh, she's awake. Well, I'll spit on this thing. Where should we? Yay, I love you. Want something to eat? I don't want a chair. I want to be in a mess. No, but you have to sit in the chair. Let's give you a milk glass first. Put the milk glass in here. Let's put the milk glass in here. Come on, spit it. It's true. Let's get some milk. There we go. And a little ice cream cone in here. Yum, 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 yum. And also a little spoon. Now you can hold ice cream you want. Yum, yum, yum. You don't want cereal? No. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Now I can just chew it. Yum, yum, yum. But I want in this hand. Fine, but don't make a mess. Okay. I don't have to hold it with my hand before. Well, it's kind of hard. I see windows before. I'm just trying to build a snowman. I see the dinner snowman. You and Danny come and play. Ah, you and you can be come and play. You want to go play. So tasty. I need to drink some water. You better be careful. Oh, look at what you've done. Sorry. Yum, so tasty. I want my mommy. But you also have to do, I'm your babysitter. And, but I want Chelsea. Okay. I can't believe it. No, you're gonna fall ice cream. No, I don't. Chelsea, sorry, I didn't mean to fall the milk. Sorry, I didn't feed the milk. I was so hungry and angry. But you also have to eat fruits and vegetables. I don't want to eat fruits and vegetables. You made me ice cream. I know, but you also have to eat fruits and vegetables. Now I make you stop. But I don't want to. gave me cereal. But no. I want my mommy. And I'm hungry. So bye-bye. Bye. I see you next time. Bye. See you next time for our new channel. And subscribe and like to our channel. And don't forget to love this video. And you want a babysitter? Just get the bath one or the feeding one. Bye-bye. Bye.